Luge means the bobsleigh and the luge are two events that are very comparable to one another. Luge is French for sledge. In point of fact, the luge, the bobsleigh, and the skeleton all compete on the same course. The sleds themselves, in addition to the ways in which they are utilized, each have their own unique characteristics. Luges can accommodate either one or two persons at a time. The sled itself resembles a bobsleigh that has been stripped down to its essential components and does not have any protective sides or brakes. Lugers must redistribute their weight, primarily through their calves, which are positioned on the sled's runners in order to turn. Luges, which are operated in the same manner as bobsleds but allow riders to achieve speeds of up to 85 miles per hour, are ridden with the riders lying on their backs with their feet facing front. The first luge tracks were constructed in the 1800s by hotel owners in Switzerland for the purpose of entertaining tourists. The first international luge course was opened in Davos, Switzerland, in 1883. Luge was first included in the Olympics in 1964, when they were hosted in Innsbruck, Austria. Since 1976, the competitions have been contested on the same track that is used for bobsledding. In modern times, the following have been added to the sport: men's singles, men's doubles, competitions for women competing individually and in teams in the relays,